What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, the favorites of Wall Street in my opinion. Today it is 9/26/24, September 26, 2024. So you can see Bitcoin is having an absolutely amazing start to the day, as we had some very interesting data come out about GDP numbers in the US. Apparently we're growing at a steady pace. Tell that to the rest of the economy, whatever, no big deal. We have been sitting in this beautiful consolidation for 6 months straight for Bitcoin. If we look at the weekly looks absolutely fantastic. We're starting to point straight up. You can see we have been bouncing off of the 50 simple moving average. This is great, but you can see from our previous peak back here in April of 2021, we are finding some serious resistance right there. If we can manage to break out of this red box, this could be absolutely amazing. So I believe that would also trigger a bit of a short squeeze. And here on the channel, we've been looking at this as some form of bull flag. So we would be looking at a move possibly like this. You know, break out a back test. Maybe if we back tested this little red zone, that would be great. But we would then be looking for about a $100,000 Bitcoin. Let's just say we got the entirety of this move from here to here, then it could be a bit higher. So we could see something somewhere around this, which would be landing us around $112,000. So Bitcoin's looking really good on the daily and the weekly. Your daily, the only problem I'm seeing here is for days on end. We have been using this 200 daily moving average as resistance. Maybe today's the day we take it. Maybe. And if that does happen, get ready for some fireworks, because we also have a futures expiration coming tomorrow, and I believe it's a very big expiration, but we're going to see what happens. We could get pretty volatile, which last Friday of the month always is very volatile, and it looks like the bulls are trying to take control. That is fantastic to see. So Bitcoin looking very good where it's sitting right now. We are not overbought on the daily. Your stochastic looks terrible, but it looks like it could happen. Let's go over to Ethereum. Hopefully, you know, all these Coinbase charts today, they are not looking good. Let's go ahead and switch over to a Binance chart. So USDT. So on the Binance chart, I didn't chart this out. The Binance USDT chart not looking good either. Are we for real? Okay, let's go to KuCoin. Maybe KuCoin. Nope, KuCoin's not doing well either. Okay, so we have a bit of struggles out here when it comes to TradingView. Anyways, let's go ahead and check out a chart that I haven't played with before on Ethereum. So Ethereum, we have to do a little bit of charting. I'm sorry we have to do this, because I didn't know that my charts were going to mess up like this. Anyways, so we have this box up here, right there, and then we also have a support level down here. Probably should be on the weekly while I'm doing this, so it's a lot more clean. Alright. Also, this isn't low enough. Go figure. Right there. Alright. Huge box that has been forming a resistance on Ethereum. But as I said in the previous videos, Ethereum does look really good for a lot of upside, and it already started. So that's very nice to see. We do have some levels of support that we have broken. So right there, level of support, we've broken, we're holding it. That's great to see. Now the next level we got to worry about is up here. This right here, which has formed resistance in the past. So we are looking for the possibility on the weekly of getting back up to $3,500 for Ethereum. Very nice. But if we go down to our daily, you can see we got a lot of work to do. We do have a demand line that needs to break, because we have not broken it yet. So as a test of the demand line, possibly testing the 200 daily moving average, we could see Ethereum rally about anywhere between 15 to 19% upside, possibly 20. But yeah, Ethereum's looking very good for upside, which also means altcoins more than likely look extremely good for upside. So keep that in mind while you're looking at Ethereum. But Ethereum sitting in neutral territory, just got into bullish control zone, looking very good for upside. Now let's go out to Solana, which are we running into the exact same problem? We are. But Solana, it's looking great. We got our lines back. Fantastic. So Solana's looking absolutely fantastic on the daily. You can see we did get our breakout. So now we are testing the 200 daily moving average, but price target is sitting at $256, which would be basically getting to previous all-time highs. Looking at this as a bull flag idea. This is fan-freaking-tastic. You're not overbought on the daily, which is great, and the weekly, you're just now starting to curve up. You have been utilizing the 50 simple moving average as support for the weekly. This is absolutely great. And as Bitcoin continues to rise today, Bitcoin just now crossing $65,000 on the day, it's looking like it's going to be a pretty bullish day. Anyways, hopefully you guys are having a great time in this market because liquidity is here. It is being printed as we speak. We have interest rates coming down. Now it's projected we're probably going to see a 50 basis point cut out of the US in November. We'll see if that comes to fruition, as long as the data allows it. But hopefully you guys are making some money in this market. If you guys do not have an exchange that is US friendly and you don't need KYC, check out our partners over at Jumpex. Also, if you're not very familiar with the crypto space and you are looking to just make some gains without really having to trade that much, you can actually backpack off of my trades. We do have copy trading over at Jumpex. Once I get to 10 followers on the copy trades, I will start copy trading again. But until then, it's kind of not worth it. But it is a great way to support the channel. So keep that in mind. Other than that, hopefully your stop loss is staying tight. Check the description down below. Find me live on Twitch. And also check out my TikTok. Check out the Discord. All that stuff. Join the community. We're out here trying to make as much gains as possible. And I want you to be along for the ride. I'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy.